Take a ride in the 2023 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.